our previous video, we talked about the new moon and specifically how to make these great, powerful law of abundance checks. Well, it's now a couple weeks later, and it's December 15th, 2024, and it is currently the new moon. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our abundance checks that we made and amplify our intentions by releasing this beautiful energy into the universe. Go ahead and grab your already created check, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So just to give you a little recap, in case you haven't seen my previous video, which I'll post here, the new moon is all about setting your intentions and manifesting what it is that you want. So on the new moon, what I do is I write an abundance check, basically to the law of abundance or to the universe, for whatever it is that I want in the time. And then on the full moon, I burn it so that I release those intentions into the universe. So you make the check on the new moon, you burn it on the full moon. If you're just happening to just be finding this video, that's perfectly fine. You can check out this video on how to actually make your new moon check. Just a little disclaimer here. These checks are not guaranteed to make you rich. I would suggest that you take this as a way to change your mindset into a more abundance mindset. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and invite you to do a little bit of meditation or just take a short moment to yourself before you burn your check to think about what are you grateful for? What has gone right in your life? What are you most happy about? You want to ask the universe for what it is you want, but you also want to have in mind gratitude for the things that you already have. So you can pause this video and take a few moments, and when you're ready, come back. So now that we have our abundance checks all nice and ready, we're going to go ahead and grab some type of fire or something to burn it with, and we're going to burn our checks and release them into the universe. When you do this, please be safe and make sure that you're not gonna potentially start a fire in your house, apartment, or wherever you are. For the full moon, one thing that you might want to do or keep in mind as you continue to do this ritual over time is that when you make these checks, you want to try and burn them within 24 hours of like the actual full moon, because that is when the moon's energy is the most powerful. Now you know my ritual for how I personally manifest abundance in my life. Remember, it's okay to want things, but you have to be content with what you already have. There is always somebody out there who is less fortunate than you, whether it be for your health, your financial situation, whatever it is, there's always somebody who's out there who is less fortunate than you are. So remain grateful in these days in between this full moon and the next new moon, and then keep repeating this process. You may not notice results right away. Like I said in my last video, it took me some time. I hope you found this video to be useful. If you would like to learn how to either manually write your own new moon checks or create your own checks in Canva, check out this video or this video. Until next time.